Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save a PowerPoint presentation in Canva. Whether we have created our slides from scratch or edited an existing design, we will walk through the quick steps to download and save our presentation. On the Canva dashboard, this is our project, and we want to save it as a PowerPoint or PPTX file. All we need to do is click on Share, then go to Download. Once we are here, we just need to select the file type as PPTX, which stands for PowerPoint document. Then we simply click Download. As we can see, the download is now complete, and the file is now saved to our computer. And that is how we save a PowerPoint presentation directly from Canva, ready to use, share, or present anytime.